Then we're going to work with his natural wave here, trim it down a little bit, but mainly take out a lot of weight. Not too curly, not too straight, got some nice movement in there. The cuticle shaft is really good size for it to, you know, just to show there's some depth. I'm going to do like a bit of a Z that comes off there and then fade one half of it out. So on the Z it's going to be quite hard, quite strong there, but on the other side it's going to be quite faded out. So on top, what I'm going to plan to do after I section it is take a middle section that's quite short, and then every section to the left or to the right of that, I'm going to pull it back to the middle. The reason why I'm pulling it back because I want it to get longer as it goes out. So again, we're always working with the way that the hair wants to fall. Out of the way. Because the hair is wet, I just want to get my shape in. I'm going to lift it up and find the guide, which is there, to bring back. What goes through my mind is, I'm always thinking about what's just happened after I've cut it. I'm thinking about, okay, I'm about to cut it, what's going to happen after I cut it? And once I've cut it, I'm thinking, does that sit right? A good pair of scissors is essential to creating shape, preferably made in Japan, because they make the best steel. The more you spend on a pair of scissors, the better they're going to be, the more durable they're going to be. Right, shape's in, time to fade. See, I really like this length up here. I don't want to eat into much when I start fading. So I'm going to try and maintain as much length as I can, take it very short around the bottom. Do I punch in my hard outlines first, or do I go straight for the blowout? So I've decided to go in with the two to clear some weight around the sides, and then I'm going to punch in my lines. I'm not taking it too high around the back here. I want to keep this weight here. Okay, can I punch in some lines now and see how it works? I'm making up as I go along, completely brand new, never done this before. This was kind of, I don't know, building the foundations. Now it's just getting a bit more creative. I'm not surprised I don't see more creative haircuts because A, people don't know how to do them. B, clients don't know how to ask for them. And that's bottom line. Clients want them, but they just don't know how to ask for them. They need to get educated. So what I mean by that is that they need to be more into art and culture. They need to go to museums, open up a book and just see what shapes sculptors and artists have created in the past, and that will definitely inspire them. I like using clip over cone because I can use it to create the shape more clinically along the shape there. I'm looking to see if there's any lines. For example, there's a line there that I need to refine. I really took myself out of my comfort zone with this haircut. To keep such a short length, a long length up here and short length down here was hard, so I just had to take it up a little bit. Something that's unconventional and experimental needs a bit more work. You've got to have the utmost control before you go in and attack the hair with thinning scissors. You have to really know where you need to texturise. I'm going to work with the natural movement of the hair, but it's quite wild and quite raw, so I'm going to see what it does.